Wicked, you know? Okay, so the euphoric facial is the talk of the town, but what is it really?
Aesthetic and laser physician. She is Dr. Marisha Terry Longley. Okay, last week I came in here. No, I have to give them background, right? Last week I came in here like, ooh, I found out about this thing, and it's from Future Aesthetics, and blah, blah, blah. And I was telling everybody around the back. Then, boom, this week, here she is. It's like magic, and she's going to perform some magic this morning.
Yes.
Tell us about the euphoric facial.
Okay, so the euphoric facial, it uses a stamping device, which is this. So it micro-infuses nutrients into the skin. Can you believe?
Here as a raise my hand.
He has a question.
Yes, go ahead.
What's in the stamping device?
What's in it? It's a special concoction
No,
that
start
I
from
put
the
together.
top. of the
He
device.
doesn't want to know about the concoction.
Oh, the
He
top.
wants to know about the needles.
Okay, so it has 20 cannulated needles, but they're thinner than a strand of hair, so you can barely see it.
When you
like
say cannulated, it means them have holes in it.
right, so that when I'm stamping, it's literally micro-infusing into her skin.
No. He's having okay. I'll just.
Mosquito ever bite yet?
Yes.
It's hotter than
Hotter
that?
than that?
No.
Okay.
On a pain scale of 10, it's around 0 to 3 at most.
Fair enough.
You know, some not believe people when them say that.
No,
Please.
serious. And
No,
look,
please a lot.
we haven't numbed her skin at all.
She's gonna tell us if it hurts.
Yes.
All
All
right.
right. So here we go.
So what do we put in the stuff?
Okay, so I did a consultation on her, right? And she has acne-prone skin with a little bit of hyperpigmentation. So I've put my special anti-acne ingredient with also some hyaluronic acid that will plump up her skin, some vitamin C, some retinol, vitamin D. We can customize it based on your skin concerns.
Doc, why can't I just rub this on my skin as opposed to putting
Okay,
needles in my face?
very good question. So when you rub it on the skin, right, like these ingredients are awesome, right? But if you just rub it on the skin, it's literally going to stay on the surface until you wash it off.
So really, all of the things that we rub on our skin, we're not getting the full effect of them because
You're not
it's superficial?
Exactly. So this will actually be able to penetrate the skin's barrier and enter deep into the skin so that you actually get to use it.
All right, so how long after I do this procedure does my face start to glow? That's
12 to 24 hours. 12 to 24 hours, you start seeing this sun-kissed glow. Everybody's going to ask you, like, what did you do? But they can't really put a finger on it.
So,
right?
and then when do we get the full effect
The full effect is like 10 days. So it's great for persons to have it just before a big event, so like brides a week before, or you have an awesome, red carpet event coming up. You can do it like a week before.
Okay. Excuse me. Don't lie. It hot?
little bit.
Slightly pain.
It stings.
Yes, but it's not enough to.
Jar you?
Yeah.
Portmore
She
mosquito.
says it's no, Portmore mosquito hot. This are Kingston mosquito, them uptown.
It actually hurts less than that.
Okay.
So no mosquito
So
bites
it's
here.
very tolerable. Very, very, very tolerable.
So Doc, do we have to do a consultation before or can I just...
Yes, a consultation is necessary so
Know
that
what
I
to put
can
in
exactly, because I customize the treatment for each person. So two euphoric facials are never the same.
Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic. How often would you recommend we do something like this?
Okay, great. So because it lasts for about 3 to 4 months, so it is an investment, but I definitely suggest to do like a series first, so 1 to 2 treatments or 3 up to 3 treatments a month apart, and then we can space it out to the 3 to 4 months.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So Doc, you just said investment.
Yeah.
When I hear investment, I
Yes.
think money.
Then no
Okay.
money. You
Money,
think
no,
it's
no,
free?
no, not money, no.
Monies.
Monies.
This look like it's gonna cost you. But we're talking about self-care and investing in
Yes,
oneself.
you have
and
to
know
invest
what
in
to do.
yourself and to really make the time
Okay.
for self-care. It's very important.
So I see you actually doing it here. Is this really the pace at which it goes? This is how much time it takes?
Yes, so it's approximately 30 minutes. It's actually less than the time of a facial. Yes, because usually our facials are very relaxing, 45 minutes to an hour, right? But it's less than the time of a facial, and there's absolutely no downtime with this.
You
so you
just
can
wipe
do
off
it.
and go back to work.
You can go back to work. So you can come during your lunchtime, and you're gone.
Okay,
Alright.
most importantly though, where will people find you?
is Future Aesthetics? Where do
Yes,
get
we
to you?
are at 1 Brompton Road, Kingston 5. That's just off Lady Musgrave at the Spartan Recreation and Wellness Center. And then you can also find us on Instagram and Facebook at Future Aesthetics JA.
Fantastic. Does this go
Yes.
down to the neck or does it just concentrate on the face?
So we can actually micro-infuse anywhere there's skin.
I like
So lips, under eyes, eyelids, neck, chest.
You can't use the same
Can't you-
needle.
oh.
No, that's not sanitary. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank
Terry
you.
Langley. I mean, still stalking your page, by the way. And you can follow her on Instagram as well. She is an aesthetic and laser physician, Dr. Marisha Terry Langley. Guys, go feel euphoric. More self-care stops after this.
And jokey something.
Yeah, she's not gonna joke you. Okay, so you'd have used that same